So hello, I'm gonna show you one thing how to update the callouts on your pages. Something which I already discussed in my previous YouTube tutorials, but this one is just strongly focused on the reporters. We just find out that the many countries have the missing homepage callout or missing the reporter on that customer magazine overview website. So in this case, I just take an example for the French one. So I see the reporter 87 is missing, reporter 86 is fine, 85 is also fine, etc. So just reporter 87 and the remainings are just the same. So if I go to the customer magazine, I see there is a report 86 but 7 is missing. So I'm gonna show you how to update that. Also just the same principle applies for the home page, where there is also some callout and the report 87 is missing here. If you check with the global, if you compare with the global, we have report 87 on the second row in the middle. So I'm going to show you how to update that callout. So I'm looking for that customer magazine. Okay, so I'm going to content editor, I'm going to Leica Geosystems home, going to about us and newsroom, finally customer magazine. As you see, it just follows the URL structure. All right, so first so good. So we have report 87 here. I need this item path, which is like direct link for that particular element I have in this tree structure. If you for some reason don't see that on the top of your window, then your quick info is either not just displayed. You have to click here to display the quick info, or you have the quick info hidden by default. So to enable the quick info, you just go to the hamburger icon here on the top left corner. You go to applications options and you select the quick info section. Okay, so I have this one selected. Once you click OK, you have for every item this quick info bar. Okay, in my case it's already enabled, so I just click on the item path and I copy that and I go to the customer magazine, which is this page, right? And I go to device editor, just going to presentation details, final layout, edit and controls. Right, so I basically see that I am on the English website. Sorry, I just forgot that we are editing the French one, right? So I have to switch the country to French. I have multiple countries, so just using the French and search bar. So here I'm on the French one, but the item path remains the same. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to the customer magazine, I'm going to presentation details, final layout, edit and controls, and here I see that I have like reporter 86, 85, 84, etc, etc. So yeah, that's good. Missing the reporter 87. Going to add here on the top right corner and find the component called multi-column page preview. It's usually here under the callouts folder. And if you again search for that multi-column page preview, you will find it easily. Use the same placeholder as the rest of them one has, main container / main content. Okay, click select, and in this data source I will just paste what I have in my clipboard, the path for my reporter 87. Okay. When I click OK, I have it at the bottom of the screen. I want to be on the first position, so I just click move up several times. I see I have a lot of components. I have to click maybe like 20 times, and now it's on the first. Yeah, so good. Click OK. Okay. Save and publish. Right, I have English one, so I have to select the French one. Here we are. Okay, I don't need to publish sub items, and I go live. Yes, refresh. So that's how you can add the report 87 there. but I will have to actually unpublish that right now, reporter 87. So I will just have to delete that because I noticed that the translation, it's not translated. Okay, so you will have to first translate that reporter. Okay, just going to versions, copy from, then you select the English one. It takes some time to crawl all the data and paste it in these now great boxes, but soon in a couple of seconds it should be editable, so it shouldn't be grayed out. Or here we are. Okay, so now I can just show editor, write something here. Okay, can change it, make it bold whatsoever, or I can do it directly via the HTML. Okay, also possibility, same as the subtitle, and etc. Translate it, save it, then publish it. In this case I just have to revert the changes back, so I just delete the reporter 87 from the device editor. So clicking on that, remove, good, and this one needs to be translated. So this is how you add a callout. The same applies for the home page or wherever you need a callout. You just use this multi-column page preview component with the proper placeholder and proper data stores. Okay, that's it.